Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into Bitcoin, Ethereum, check out the technicals. I'm going to show you my trades. It's time to sell Bitcoin. Was at 69,000 when I called the day of the top. Time to be buying Bitcoin, in my opinion, has been down here at 17K. We're up quite a bit, actually. 17K to 23K, 24K is quite a big percentage. I think around, what is that, 10%, 20%, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. If you've been following me for 2.5 years, let me know in the comment section, how long have you been following these videos? Don't forget, comment every video. 5 winners are chosen every month for $200 each, giving away $1,000 back to the community. Love you all. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and Bitcoin is kind of like turned into a stable coin on the hourly. On the daily, stochastic still heading up. We broke out of that channel. We broke out. We're above the 200 weekly moving average, that blue line, which is a good sign. We've got a lot of volume coming in, also a very nice sign. And Bitcoin is looking quite bullish here. The target will be 27,700 for Bitcoin's movement, 27,700. If it breaks out of this channel, which it has, and it can keep pushing up with volume, that will be the target, and that will be a big point because that's the big resistance that goes back all the way since November 11th. At 69K, when it's been trending down, we need a breakthrough there to go really bullish on Bitcoin. So that's the moment of truth. Let's go closer. On the 4-hourly, stochastic is overbought, turning to head down, but not really pulling back much, which is interesting. Bitcoin is also making two bull flag, like a big bull flag here. You can see here we've got the pole and the flag forming here. This is a big movement. If it plays out, we could get a movement from Bitcoin to around this distance, which will take us towards that target, which will be around 27,700, which is beautiful. Right now we're also in a kind of broadening rising megaphone. Squeeze mob is overbought on the 4-hourly, turning down. RSI also overbought now. Stochastic is also turning down, so we could have a pullback today, but a lot of volume coming in, and it's not letting Bitcoin pull back, which is very interesting. You're not getting much of a pullback anymore. On the hourly, stochastic is midway. I would say Bitcoin is going to do something like this. It's building a kind of pattern here. It's building a symmetrical triangle, which should be breaking out soon. And it's also a bullish pennant, so most likely to the upside. Usually it'll break out to this distance here. So there's two ways to take this. We either go short here towards 23,000, or we go long here towards 24,800. Now I would choose the long side. Why? Because here we created a very big cup and handle. You can see here that Bitcoin is creating a very large cup and handle here. If that breaks out, that's also a very bullish pattern. That distance here from this cup and handle is quite large. This distance here for Bitcoin, which can take us also to 27,000. So my most likely scenario in the short term is pull back a little bit, going long. And congratulations if you took that long yesterday. You're already in profits because it came down, activated the long, then bounced back up quite strongly. I would go long here from the bottom of this channel, actually where we are right now. Stop loss just below, if Bitcoin chooses to break to the downside, just below this support, and take profit at the top of this target channel. That's a nice risk to reward ratio trade, 10 risk to reward ratio. So risking $377 to make $3,986. With 10x leverage, that'll be $39,000 of profit. So that's the long that I would take on Bitcoin. If we break to the downside though, if Bitcoin doesn't bounce back here, so two things are going to happen. We're either going to bounce out here, retest and bounce and go towards that 27K, which will give us this epic risk to reward ratio trade, or Bitcoin's going to break down here, most likely come to this support area, bounce off. So you could go short from this point, which would give you, if it broke down from there, but I would lean, there's too many bullish patterns, so I wouldn't go short here on Bitcoin, especially with the volume that's coming in. I would choose this long position. So I'm going to share this inside the Telegram. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do underneath this video, you can go down below. You can sign up to Bybit. That's the main exchange that I'm using for trading. The link on your phone underneath the video. Go down, sign up to Bybit. Everyone go do that. Go down. You can trade Bitcoin, altcoins. It's the third biggest exchange in the world. They have a lot of the altcoins. They have Bitcoin, Ethereum, where you can long and short. So go down below, sign up to Bybit. Get that $4,450 sign up bonus. So everyone go down, click this link, sign up. That will, if you use someone else's account link to sign up. Sign up with this one and move your crypto across. So you signed up under my trading account, under my trading team, and that will give you this trading account. In here I have $469,534, which is up. It was actually because I used a lot in this account, but it's about break even since last night, but still up quite a lot from a few days ago. So almost $500,000 in here. I've got 7.3 Bitcoin, 175,000, USDT 124,000, Solana 95,000, USDT 22,000. My Bitcoin long is up $11,340, and the profit's 190%, which is beautiful. It's a $53,000 Bitcoin trade. Now so I would take this long on Bitcoin here. Let's see what it's saying. But on the 4 hourly, we're overbought. On the daily, we're slightly overbought as well. That's something. But on the weekly, we're just starting this run. I think Bitcoin is looking very bullish here, having a bottoming formation. And we had on the weekly, look at this, we have still 1 day left, but it created a big hammer candle, which is a very bullish candle with a big wick down to the bottom, which is interesting. So that's the long that I would take on Bitcoin. By the way, anyone that followed my talk about MAGICCRAFT yesterday, MCRT went up 10% against Bitcoin and Ethereum, 10.7%. Pay attention to MAGICCRAFT, everyone. It's ranked 3,205. I really want my audience to really pay attention. This is my project. It's CertiK audited. MAGICCRAFT is CertiK audited smart contract on the BSC chain. It's a play to earn game. Current market cap 1.8 million, fully diluted 18 million, $463,000 of volume yesterday, up 62% in the last 24 hours. Pay attention to MAGICCRAFT, everyone. This is the play to earn game that I'm building. The game is ready. We already have PC version, iOS and Android, and it is absolutely epic. I can't wait to show you it. Make sure you pay attention. Everyone, pay attention to MCRT MAGICCRAFT. I can't give you financial advice. I'm the project founder of MAGICCRAFT, but I really want you to research play to earn games and what this means. There's 3 billion gamers, $300 billion industry, and my goal is to make MAGICCRAFT the #1 play to earn game, and the game quality is amazing. Our game is already built. We're integrating MAGICCRAFT, and we will be releasing the beta version and the gameplay footage as soon as Bitcoin goes extremely bullish, passes the 30K, then we will release into the big bullishness of the markets, and it is an epic game. So pay attention to MAGICCRAFT. You can buy MAGICCRAFT, so MCRT, on PancakeSwap. You can swap it on PancakeSwap, USDT to MCRT. 1,000 USDT currently gives you 542,780 MCRT. So $1,000 gives you almost more than 500,000 MCRT at the moment. So really pay attention to MCRT. My goal is to make this a $1 token. So that's what's happening on MAGICCRAFT. That's what's happening on Bitcoin. I'll do updates on Ethereum and Solana. Congratulations to people in my Telegram. This student up 73%. Thank you, James, for this wonderful analysis. I'm in a Telegram group as well, learning a lot. Many people making massive gains. This student up 1,632%. This student up 81% on BNB, 165% on Mana. Everyone making massive gains. This student up 900% on Ethereum Classic. 72% on Bitcoin, 23%, 504%, which is beautiful. This is something funny, man. People like throwing out rubbish, driving car, using all electronics. Let's discuss the environmental cost of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is an amazing technology, and people using this environmental narrative are not understanding that it replaces all banks, all banking systems, all ATMs, all tellers, all the whole financial industry is going to be revolutionized by Bitcoin. It's the computer, it's money computer, it's computer money, it's digital money. And just like we went from analog phones, analog clocks, we went to digital, the same thing is happening with money, and Bitcoin is the creation of this, the first real technology of this, and it's revolutionary. So don't be a naysayer. Learn about this technology. Send someone Bitcoin so you actually understand what is happening here and be part of this financial revolution. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Love you all, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.